What if the same Clipart digital product that's earning you a $2 profit per sales could be transformed into a $10 to $30 profit from just one sale? Still having doubts? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use AI to create evergreen digital products that consistently generate monthly sales, and how you can skyrocket your revenue using print on demand. I'll also walk you through how you can easily build your own online store and how to drive free traffic to it. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the point. Now, let's be honest, creating and selling clip art design as digital product isn't the problem. The real issue is that you've chosen to sell them in only one way, as downloadable files. Because of this, you're playing in a small pool, competing on price and struggling to be seen among thousands of other sellers doing the exact same thing. That's why I want to open your eye to something bigger. Imagine taking the same piece of clip art and placing it on a physical product people can actually touch. It's no longer just a download. Now it becomes the nursery wall art frame above a crib or a coffee mug that makes someone smile every morning. It's the exact same design, but it carries more value because it becomes part of someone's everyday life. And instead of earning $2 from a digital file, you're now making $15 to even $30 from a physical product as profit. Now you might see this as a potential idea worth considering, but maybe you're thinking you need to budget for inventory space to stock up your physical product and start selling right away. However, here's the downside. If you're just starting out, owning inventory can cost you money upfront. You'll be worrying about understocking, overstocking, or dealing with slow fulfillment, especially if your sales start growing. This problem alone are enough to keep people from selling physical products, but what if I told you there's a solution to every one of those problems? You can sell physical products without printing, packaging, or shipping a single item yourself, because that's exactly what print on demand allows you to do. You upload your design once, a customer places an order, and the item gets printed and shipped for you. You get paid, no inventory, no hassle. And the best platform for this, Printify. Printify makes the entire process super easy. With Printify, you can turn your clip art into custom white label products like t-shirts, mugs, nursery prints, and more. These are real physical products your customers can use, gift, and love. You won't need to handle a single package yourself. Printify integrates seamlessly with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Squarespace, or more. That means once you create your product inside Printify, it automatically appears in your store ready to sell. No manual upload, just simple and fast. But here's where it gets even better. Printify now includes a built-in AI tool that makes writing your product listings effortless. They'll describe your product in just few words, and Printify AI will generate title, description, and tag, fully optimized to help you show up in search results. Printify AI even studies top-selling products in your niche, so you get listings that are designed to convert. And with Printify global network of print providers, you can also offer fast production and reliable shipping no matter where your customers live. So whether you're just starting out or ready to scale, Printify gives you everything you need to run a successful print-on-demand business. Now that you know how to double your revenue using print on demand, the next step is making sure the design you want to sell is actually evergreen. The best way to find evergreen idea is to get inspiration from popular platforms like Etsy. Look for clip art design that has bestseller tag, recent sales, or are frequently added to people's carts. This is a free way to validate if the design idea is in demand. Or to speed up this process, you can use a paid platform like Alura. With Alura's product research tool, you can search for a specific product by entering a keyword and instantly view estimated monthly sales. And you can also use Alura keyword research tool, check how competitive a keyword is, and see other related keyword ideas to that product. That's how I came across this clip art design, which is a floral sewing clip art, a design that any seamstress or fashion designer would love to print on physical items. With Alura, I could see how many sales this product has made in the last 12 months, its total revenue, and even how many sales it generated this month. This proved that people are still actively searching for this product. Once you've decided what type of product you want to sell, the next question is, where should I sell it? And you have two main options. The first is a well-known marketplace like Etsy. It's a great place to start because you already have millions of active shoppers searching for products to buy online. This built-in traffic helps you to get your first sales without needing a big audience. Etsy charges listing and transaction fees, and your products will appear next to your competitors. That means even if you drive traffic to your store, buyers may end up purchasing from someone else. Plus, Etsy controls the rules. If their policy changes or they suspend your shop, your whole business could be at risk. So the second option is to build your own online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Squarespace. This gives you complete control over your brand, pricing, design, or customer experience. You're not sharing space with the competitors, and you keep more of of your profit without marketplace fees. The only catch, you need to drive your own traffic, usually from social media, content creation, or paid ads. But don't worry, I'll show you how to do that later in the video. To create your online store, the first step is choosing a domain name. This is your website address, so choose something that clearly reflects what you're selling. Since I'll be focusing on mug design, I want a name that is simple, memorable, and communicates my niche. I decided to go with Mugify, and instead of using the usual .com extension, I'm choosing something more specific, which is .store. And did you know that website with a .store domain receive 87% more traffic and rank twice as high on Google compared to the generic domain? That was no coincidence. When shoppers sees a .store domain, they instantly recognize it as a place to buy, which builds trust and boosts sales faster. That's why global icons like Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, and Emirates Airline use .store domain for their brand. Now let's head over to the .store website to check if our domain name is available. And as you can see, the domain name is available for $29 a year. But don't worry, there's a way to get it at a lower price. Just add it to your cart, head to checkout, and apply the coupon code Endatah. I've added that in the description below. Now, if you enable the privacy protection, the price will be slightly higher. But if you skip that, you can secure a domain name for a low rate for 1 year. And there is more. When you register for a .store domain, you also get a free access to a plus version of Elevate.store, a premium toolkit built specifically to help online sellers grow faster. It includes deals and discounts for tools like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and more, all free just for using a .store domain. Once your domain is set, we move on to the fun part, building your store and launching your first product. But first, let's create this product using AI. For this illustration, I'll be using Kittl AI, mainly because of its powerful Clipart generation features, which are perfect for creating high-quality print-ready designs. First, I set my canvas to a 1:1 ratio, then I adjusted the DPI to 300, which ensures the design is high resolution and ready for professional printing. I opened the AI tool and type in a simple prompt like this. After selecting the clip art style I wanted, I click generate, and here's what I got. But I did not stop there. I experimented with a few other prompts like this, and here are the results I was able to create. Now, what's really exciting is that I didn't just make a few prompts, I actually crafted 100 more unique prompts that you can use to generate your own stunning clip art designs. I've added a link in the description where you can gain access to this, and a huge shout out to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Once the designs are ready, the next step is to prepare them for sales in our online store. You can build your online store using platforms like Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, or any other website builder that integrates smoothly with Printify. These platforms make it incredibly easy to launch and manage your print-on-demand business without any technical hassle. For this example, I decided to use Squarespace to create my website. Connecting it to Printify was super straightforward. All I had to do was head over to Printify dashboard, click on Add Store, select Squarespace from the list of available integration, click Allow to authorize the connection, then simply give my store a name, and just like that, my Squarespace store was successfully connected to Printify. From there, any product I design with Printify can automatically appear in my store. Now, to add your product to your store, we'll start by heading to the catalog section. From there, I'll click on Home and Living and select mug as my product category. For this design, I'll be using one of the mug mark as a bestseller tag. Once I select it, I'll click Start Designing. Next, I'll upload my design directly from my device. After uploading, I'll carefully position the design so that it appears on both sides of the mug. This way, no matter how the mug is held, the design will be visible. Once that is done, Printify automatically generates default mockups, product title, and description for your listings. But to make things even better, Printify offers a built-in AI tool that helps you create high-converting, SEO-optimized title, description, and tag. All you have to do is to provide a few details about your product, and the AI will generate an optimized title, description, and tag for you. Once your listing looks good, go ahead and set your price, and when you're satisfied with everything, click publish, and just like that, your product is live on your store. And now comes the important part, driving the traffic to your store. If you want a quick result, you can start by running paid ads, but if you're looking for a free and powerful method, I recommend using Pinterest. Pinterest isn't just a social media platform. People come to Pinterest to discover ideas, to get inspired, and yes, to your store. The best part, your pin can continue driving traffic to your store for months and even years after you post them. Pinterest has one of the fastest engagement rates of any visual platform, and with consistent effort, you can start seeing organic traffic flowing straight to your store. Finally, I hope this video inspires you to start your own physical product business online. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.